Okay, so I know this sounds crazy, but I needed a little help today. So let's put my hearing aids in. I can't hear that great. It sucks getting old, right? So got these from Costco. They work good though. Hopefully they don't blast the music in my ears. Oh no, that's good. I hear that squeak though. I'll show you how we fix that squeak. Not on my head, it's in the car. I'm gonna put this on for a second. I'm gonna put Robert on. There he goes. Yeah, buddy? Alright, so the bad thing about hearing aids, and they're all Bluetooth, it goes wherever you want. You get at the casino, it rings the machines. You walk by, it's like, it's in your head. It's like, ah! So I turn it on, and it goes from the stereo to my hearing aids, and it's blasting in my ear. I can't hear what's going on. So I told up. I said, "Baby, come on. I need a little help, man. We got some trucks down. We got to fix some stuff." So you got. My wife did not like the name. All right, let me start over. Here's Angel. We got Angel. Now, there's a reason why I changed her name from Trailer Park Trash to Angel. My wife said, "Stupid." I said, "That's me." And then the next day, I had her parked out front, right out there, right behind. Oh, this thing's nuts, man. I was like, come on, baby, just start. I don't know what's wrong with you right now. That's why I was holding the test light, because I was going to pop a coil in it. So I said, all right, come on, just one more time, baby. It's got fuel. I guess it's got a spark problem. I don't know. I said, one more time, baby. Crank. Started up. I'm like, was it flooded? I don't know. It's running great now. You hear her in the background. So, I don't know, man. She's good. So, we renamed Trailer Park Trash. I call it Trailer Park Trash because I started squeaking again. She's like, "You're not paying attention to me." I'll fix you. Hold on. They're a mechanic in a can. It doesn't need a belt. I've done these belts a couple times. These things are notorious for belts. So I'll show you if you can follow me. Oh, I mean, Robert. Dude, this way. You're pissing me off, Robert. Robert. You see me? You're red. He's pissed. Whatever. Let me turn Robert off. He's really mad at me. And I turned him off. So, up top, I got all kinds of things. What I actually have an original belt I found. Look, Mopar. Original. We're gonna put them up. I've tried all kinds of belts. At 91 for 2.5. Says it's perfect. I wrote that, I guess. So we're gonna put it on that. And at 2.5, why does that have a 2.5? I thought it was for the straight 6. That might be a problem there. Damn it. We'll see if it's universal. I don't think so, though. Ah, man, that kind of screws me up. But these belts are notorious for squeaks. They just squeak. You do everything. You align pulleys, you change the solid pulley, and they squeak. I don't know. You spray them down. I'm gonna get that stupid spray you put on there. It prevents belt squeak. I don't know. I'm gonna try anything because it squeaks. The other one, Casper. I'm sorry, Casper's up there. She's a ghost. We got rid of Casper. So this thing just started. That's okay, baby. Let's put you to work. Move the trailer around. At least she's got 4-wheel drive, so we gotta move the trailer around. I didn't bust the trailer up. Angel busted it up. We call her Trailer Park Trash because she broke my trailer. So I said, "You piece of trailer park trash," and she was like, "I don't like that name. My wife hates that name." I was like, "Okay, let's." Oh man, I get this squeak is driving me nuts. Okay, so something is going on because I was putting a cover back on the fuse box and it just shut off. You saw it just died. Let me lower this radio. So I'm going to leave that around 10 minutes, right? So it just died. So obviously there's something going on with near the fuse box. Something's loose, something's going on. So let's check it out and see what's going on. So I didn't diagnose nothing. I have nothing. Something's going on here. So I was messing with putting that box on, it died. So there's got to be a loose wire here. All the positives are good. Oh, this is really, that's pretty bad. That's pretty loose. That's not good. All right, let's tighten that up. That positive going to that. Oh, that is positive going to the box though. All right, let's tighten that up. So basically, what I should have did is back it out real quick and figure it out later because I need the bag. But this is really loose. That's bad, like. It's got no connection. The battery, and it needs that connection. Man, I hate these old-fashioned connectors. These cast ones are like very soft. They don't work too good. Alright, so we tighten that up, and that powers the fuse box. I don't think that's gonna be it, but let's give her a crank again. I think something's up with the fuse box. Okay, maybe not. So, I just learned something. There's a main wire that goes from that battery to the fuse box. Oh, that's pretty important. Maybe that's the one. Maybe that's what's wrong with the yellow submarine. Because that thing just shut off on me. Now it's running fine. Let's back it out anyway. I'll be back. I got things to do. I'm gonna back it out, switch things around. Bye.